Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got an unboxing here today. Got the 1/12 scale Wltoys. Been waiting for some time now to be able to pick this up. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I'll do an unboxing video here first, and then there's next video that's coming out. It's going to be a run video. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. So let's open this up and see which one is in the box. Got the charger here. Ooh, this is nice. This is really nice. Check that out. The standard Wltoys transmitter here. It's a decent transmitter. Got some trimming options, foam, so yeah, it works, it does the job. So okay, check this out. This is so sweet. Nice solid platform. All the quality parts that we know from the 14 scale version. Of course, we can fit a much larger battery in this one. Same standard 5-wire servo, combined ESC receiver. Man, this is nice. So yeah, we got the oil-filled shocks, metal shock towers, a lot of metal in this thing. Much larger battery. I'm not sure how big it is. Let's see if we can. Okay, 2200 milliamp 2S. That's not bad. I mean, I just love the colors on this thing. It looks like a real beast. And I'm super excited about getting this out there and give it a proper test run. Bash it around a little. So yeah, this is so sweet. A much better platform if you want to build a high-speed build than the 14 scale, because got a lot of room in this one, which was the main issue with the smaller one, trying to be able to fit all the electronics inside. So it's much easier on this one. I've got the 1/10 scale coming as well, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Leave a comment and like as well if you feel like it, and you won't miss the 1/10 scale. So yeah, oh, this is so nice. I'm so excited about this one. So got a little longer wheelbase than the smaller one. That's nice, more stable. And yeah, just a quick unboxing, and I'll get the run footage out as soon as possible. Gonna hit some jumps, do some speed runs, see how fast it is. So yeah, that's going to be so much fun. Yeah, I hope you guys like this super quick unboxing. Nothing special, standard stuff in here. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.